How to use the Telegram app tutorial. Hi everyone, welcome in this video. In today's video, we show you how to use Telegram for the person that they are new in Telegram or they doesn't know how to use it in the last version. So first guys, you have to install your Telegram from Play Store or App Store. Or if you wanna before you have to update it. So after that you should open your Telegram and then it will show you a page. You have to enter your number, phone, and some information like your name, your profile picture, and after that it will showing you like this on this, or it will open here on this page. So then I will explain to you what is inside this app. So here, this is the menu or the menu. We click on it, and if you click here, this is your profile. Here you can change your number, your username, your bio. You can add also your profile picture. Here you can, this is your QR code. You can here extract or share your QR code from here. If we click on this 3 point here, we can edit our name and also log out from our account if you want. And here we found your settings. We found here your notifications and sounds. Here you can edit. Here our privacy and security settings. Here data and storage. Settings, if you want to, for example, change the time, you can change it from here. The message text size, as you see. We back here. If you want to connect your device or you want to connect this account to your laptop, if you want, you just click on link desktop device. It will open on camera. Then you will have to open the browser in your laptop. So here you can change the language. For example, now it's English. If you are Arabic or I don't know, Dutch or I don't know, you can change the language from here. So here you can, if you want to help from Telegram support, if you have a problem, you can inbox them from here. So let's back here to this list. Here you can create a new group, and here you can find your call contacts, and here you will find your calls history. Here your people nearby, and here your saved messages. And from here you can open your settings. So here also you can invite your friends. And now we will move here. For example, this is our conversation list. If we want to create a new conversation, we will click on this pen and we will choose the person that we want to create like conversation with him. For example, this person. Just click and here it will show you inside the conversation. Here you can send message, emojis if you want, and here if you want to send them like picture, like here also you can send voice message. Here you can call him, and on this 3 line you can mute notification, video call with him, delete chat. So if I click here on his profile, it will show me his number, and here is username, notifications. And also if you want to block a person, I will come here to this 3 line and click block user, or edit her name, or delete contacts. If you wanna turn on with him auto delete messages, you can click here. Also here you can start with him a secret chat or gift him a premium. After this, you can use also like some bots. For me, I have these bots. I will do another video. If you want to be new video about bots, how to use bots on your Telegram, I will do a video. So that's all. As you see, Telegram, it's very easy and quick to use. and I prefer to use it than WhatsApp. So that's all in this video. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing our channel, and see you next time.